Hi guys, Alex Coghe here, the Street Photography channel, and today I make a short video in order to recommend you, if you are interested, join this the Day of the Dead photography expedition in Oaxaca this year. You need to reserve your spot in my expedition as soon as possible. We have the first deadline on 31 of July. Early birds have a discount in order to join this expedition early. And then the last deadline will be August 30. I can't accept something more than that deadline because it is virtually impossible to find a place to stay in Oaxaca after that limit. It is very impossible to find a place in a hotel, in a Airbnb. So it is very important, if you are interested, don't try to contact me in October, in September, because we will not accept a request of joining my expedition. My expedition has as deadline the 30th of August, because in Oaxaca, after the 2020, it is virtually impossible to find a place to stay in a hotel, in Airbnb. So already a lot of hotels are reserved for that date. So please respect this, respect the fact that we can accept the reservations for your spot in Oaxaca with the deadline of August 30. I hope that everything is good with you. We will make a great work with a small group of people, a small group of participants, photographers, who want to take their photography to the next level. You know, I am leading the expeditions in Oaxaca since 2015 with important results. This year I decided to make the expedition only 4 days in respect to the past editions that were of 8 days. I see that there are a lot of people maybe coming here in Mexico for the first time. They don't want to dedicate 8 days to an expedition. In 4 days we will make a fantastic work. In 4 days I think is the right formula in order to propose that. Also because the events are concentrated in 4 days, and in those specific 4 days we will make our job. You will come back with an important portfolio of images realized in Oaxaca. You will come back at home with a different awareness of your photography, of your photographic path, and you will become a better photographer. I can assure you this. We will make a book where your work will be included. We will make videos. You will be participating in something big, in something important, something that is not the usual workshop that you are used to see proposed all around. You know, I am an experienced photographer. I am a photographer who is published in editorial magazines, in editorial situations. I am a published photographer counting with important features in international magazines, in covers of international magazine. So you have with you a real photo coach with a different approach, not academic, something more focused on the result. It is very important this, guys, to say to those very interested to this expedition, to this experience. It is a magical experience, a life-changing experience, like it was to me when I was for the first time during Day of the Dead in Oaxaca. We will taste delicious food. We will drink mezcal if you want or no. If you want, of course. But it will be an amazing experience, just like I am used to propose and I am used to lead as a photo coach. Thank you to watch this. We will see you soon, and I wait you in Oaxaca for an amazing experience with my Day of the Dead photography experience 2026. Ciao.